is up everyone, welcome back to our channel Inside Python, where we explore the unseen aspect of Python with you. And welcome back to the second episode of the Turtle series with Python. So in the previous video we learned about some very basics concepts of turtle, such as how do we create a turtle, what is a turtle, what are the various methods that can be applied to turtle. So now in this video we're going to be talking about how to create shapes and how to fill those shapes with color. So let's get started. Now before we get started, I want you all to follow us on our Instagram page as Inside Python, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for getting updated about this series, and also turn on the notifications by pressing that bell icon. So now uh, on my directory as Inside Python, so I've already created a file as turtle2.py. I'm going to be opening it with Sublime text. So now the first thing that you want to do is import the turtle module turtle module. Now we will create a turtle named tut, similar to that in the last video. Now you don't know how to create a turtle, etc, etc. Watch the previous video first. uh, Watch the previous video. Right now showing up on your screen as that eye icon. Go to that icon just go to the eye icon, press it, and then you will find our video as first part. So right here, now this is the object of the turtle class, turtle with the T capital of the turtle module. Now we'll be setting some parameters for it, such as suppose we will set the width. Now what width should we choose? I think 3 would be good. 3 is pretty large. So, and also now we're discussing about color. So in the last video I told that color only takes one parameter as argument, but color actually takes two parameters. The first parameter is the color to be filled in, and the second argument is. Now color actually takes two arguments. The first one is the outline color and the second one is the filling color. So if I write here red, so this is the outline of figure will be red, and if I type blue, so it will be filled in blue. So now we will create, to begin the fill we use this function, begin fill. Oh, sorry, I just used this. It's that actually. Okay, insert and dot. Okay, so now to fill color, so we had fill color. Now to begin the fill we need to write this function, that is turtle.begin fill, not actually turtle, the turtle object, and then we will create a circle here. So now I'm writing this dot circle, so it is not same for like dot square and dot rectangle. It doesn't work like that. There is only function for circle. So if I write there say 50, so it is the radius actually in pixels, then type here dot end fill. Okay, now save it. Now let's try to run it. And one more thing we forgot, that is the a turtle dot listen and turtle dot main loop. So now these two things will keep our screen from closing down. So now what are these, we will discuss in the future videos of this series, not very long ago. Soon we will discuss. This will come in events where we actually do something with the turtle, such as dragging and all that paint functions which I showed in the first video. So let's try to run it. My command line here, just wait. Say python 3 turtle2.py. okay, so as you can see, the border and then it filled with shape. So this is how you do that. Now let's try to create one more figure. We will create a square. Okay, so we will change the color here. Change the color to say yellow, yeah, or say orange, or sorry, wrong spelling, orange, and inside say red. Okay, this is the fill color, this is the outline color. So we did that. Now start the fill by writing begin fill, and then we will create a square. So let's use a for loop here. So for I in range 4, for exactly 4 sides, we're gonna be using this thing, tut dot forward. Okay, it will move forward by 100 pixels, then it will turn left, then it will turn left after suppose to a 90 degrees, because every angle in a square is 90 degree, and then we will end fill, dot end fill. Now let's try to run this program. Python 3 turtle2.py. Now let's try to. So as you can see, it has been doing. Okay, so now the problem occurred over here. These two lines of code should be in the end always, because these are the event things. We can't use it anywhere. So just paste it over here. Now run it again. Python 3 and then turtle2.py. Okay, so as you can see, we have got our figure successfully completed. Now this thing, that square is coming over the circle. Now how to fix that? So we're going to be using this function. We will be use tut dot set pause here, tut dot set pause, and then we will write suppose. So now how to fix that? We're going to be using something. So you remember the penner function from the last lecture. So use the penner function, then move the turtle a bit forward to 100 pixels say, and then put the pen down, tut.pen down. Okay, now let's try to run this. First close this, and then we are going to write Python 3 turtle2.py. So as you can see, it has done. Now after that, so you see there is no line drawn between these two. So that's how you create shapes and fill. Now I want you to share with a very interesting thing, that is drawing random figures. Now how to do that? So first of all, import random module over here. Import random module, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna be creating a list of colors. Okay, so we'll be gonna be creating a list of colors, say red, say green, say blue, sorry for the wrong spelling, say blue, say orange, say yellow. So this much is enough for this thing. So now after all of this, now let's clear all of this, not actually clear, or let's just comment out all of this. So we will comment each and every section, or suppose I have a good option to comment over here, so I will write 3 here, or suppose we will continue this code further. Okay, so now we imported random, and then we created a colors name list. So now after this end fill, we're going to be creating some figures. We are going to be create circles for just saving any time. So for I in range, now when I will actually show you the code running, you will actually understand that the parameter that goes range in, that number of figures come up on the screen. So I want 10 circles to be drawn and filled with colors. So I will write tut dot begin fill. Okay, we started beginning fill, then we will create a circle. We created a circle, say I think we should say, take it as random. So we're creating a random dot rand range, and then we're going to be creating 1 to suppose 70 would be good, 1 to 70, and then we will end the fill and fill. Now let's try to add some colors to it. So we will be writing tut.color, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna be giving it some random colors. So if I go random dot rand choice, I'm not sure that this function actually exists or it is choice, I don't know. I'm just using it for the sake of simplicity. We will, if any error comes, we will know that. So okay, so again say random dot rand choice, and then again write colors in it. Okay, so we change the color, we begin the fill, then tut. Now we have to do the same thing over here. We have to displace the turtle after drawing one circle, otherwise it will keep drawing on the right position, which won't make any kind of sense. So how do we do that? We have a function over here. We will use a function. So after drawing the function, we will write tut.setPos. Now this is a acronym for set position. So it takes two arguments, that is x comma y. So we'll give here suppose random dot rand range. Again we will use rand range, and then I will give it 100 or say 200, and not 200, it will be like too much. We will give 100. Just copy this code, Control C, put a comma over here and then paste it over here. So we set the position of it to. So now what we're gonna do, now set position, we have to put the pen down over here, pen up actually over here. So we put the pen up, then we write tut.pen down, and yeah, I think this code should work. So let's try to run it. Python turtle2.py. So it is a previous code. Now okay, no attribute rand choice, I already said that, or it is simply choice. Yes, random dot choice. Let's try to run it with this. Okay, python 3 turtle2.py. now just wait, hope it works. So yeah, it has actually started to draw this thing. It is changing colors, not so variety, and it is also changing the position right at the same time, which is actually good. I didn't change the seed, that's why it keeps drawing on the same side. So we actually drew 10 figures, that's why it stopped right here. So now this video was very interesting. It is worth to give a like, a thumbs up on this video, and also stay tuned, subscribe to the channel right now, because in the next video we're going to be discussing about key presses and events with turtle. Actually how to drag that and the paint program I had to show you, this is the basis of that. So just subscribe to our channel right now and turn on the notifications on, and also subscribe to and also follow us on Instagram. The link will be down in the description. Thanks for watching our video.